and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Marta and today we're going to talk about alkaline body. What is an alkaline body and how to be in an alkaline state of being. So let's start from the beginning. I already made this version of this video in a Polish language. So if anyone wants to watch it in a Polish language, someone can go ahead and watch it, because there is an amazing knowledge in this video. So today I'm going to try and tell you all the same things that I did in the Polish version, but in English version, okay? So basically, an alkaline state of being is the anti-inflammatory state of being. So when we talk about body being alkaline, it is to say body is in its highest and best form of state of being. So in its highest anti-inflammatory state. Alkaline food and alkaline water, what it is. Okay, let's start from the beginning. Where to find it? What kind of food is alkaline? Well, fruits and vegetables, everything that comes from nature is mostly all of it is alkaline naturally, because it has structured water inside. It is alkaline structured water in all the fruits and vegetables. So when we eat a lot of raw food, which is recommended for me, like eating raw is, to be honest, one of the best feelings ever. I was fruitarian for a while, I was raw vegan for a while, and I felt so energized and so fresh and so good, always eating just a lot of fruits, a lot of veggies, and it's all raw. It's just like the best feeling ever. I felt very hydrated because this food has a structured water, and it is very hydrating. So it has a lot of good benefits for the body. So now fruits and vegetables, right? This is the source of health. If you want to be healthy, you need to eat colorful food that is coming from nature, because this is your mirror. It is your human mirror, Mother Nature. So if you eat and see what nature has, and you eat what the food that nature gives you, it basically starts to heal your body. And even in Ayurveda, there's this teaching that says that if you want to balance your chakras, right, and yoga as well, it kind of is linked with yoga. Not kind of, it is linked with yoga. So you are recommended to eat the color of the food that your energy center likes balance. So in general, to be balanced energetically in your body, and to be just healthy, and to be happy, because that's what we are looking for, right? This happiness. Because if we eat unhealthy, we eat junk food, we eat very, very just dirty processed food, we won't have a lot of energy, we won't feel happy, because we will naturally just feel very low vibrationally. So our spiral goes up when we eat healthy. Our spiral goes up. So our energies, the vortex, energy vortex, we can call it, in our body goes up, and we are very happy, elevated, right? And when we eat junk food and processed foods, the spiral goes down, and then we feel a little bit low vibrationally, like less energy, we feel like sluggish, we feel a bit less happy, we just feel like something's off in our body, right? So when we start eating colors, we really charge our body fully, all the colors. Okay, so first chakra, red colored food Then second chakra, sacral chakra, oranges and a lot of orange peppers, carrots, everything that is orange, right? Then we have solar plexus, which is yellow, all the foods that are yellow, obviously, from fruits and vegetables. Heart chakra, green, anything that is green, salads, cucumber, broccoli, okay, anything that is green. Now we have throat chakra, which is azul. It came to me first in Spanish. Blue. Anything, blueberries are the best for the blue color, because it's not so easy to find the blue color, but there are some fruits that are in the blue color. So throat chakra, then third eye, it is like an indigo color. It is like a dark blue / purple, but it's not purple yet. It is like very dark blue, like indigo color. Research that, indigo color. And then we have crown chakra, which is very like purple, purpley pinkish kind of. It's purple, but it goes more into the pinkish side of it. So when we want to balance our body, whether it's through this system or in general, just through simplicity of thinking about it, we need to look at how alkaline is your food. How truly alkaline is your food? What are you eating during the day? Just you can journal about it and see really what are you putting in your body, because it is very important to be self-aware and to understand what am I putting in my body, and is this really truly helpful for me? Is it adding energy, or is it taking away my energy? Because we should not feel sluggish and lazy after food. I know if you eat too much, you can feel this way, or if you eat something that is not serving you, something unhealthy, you can feel this way. But normally, after eating, you should feel like just happy, energized. Like maybe you can rest for 10 minutes, 15 minutes maximum, but in general, even normally, you should be able to and should have the energy to go for a walk, to carry on with some tasks. I mean, there are two different schools. Some people say after food you need to always rest, and some people say I just go for a walk after food, or I just carry on with my activities. And I think both cases are okay, but the most important thing is how you're feeling and how is your body doing. How is your body doing? That's a good question. How is your body doing? What is it that you are feeling most of the time? And your body will tell you the truth. If you have acne, if you have some skin issues, if you have any issues with digestion, then that's basically a sign that something's off, that you may change something, and it's better if you change something when it comes to your food and nutrition. So there are sources of water that coming now, talking about the water now a little bit more. There are sources of water that are basically alkaline. There is such thing as alkaline water from nature, obviously. Not every source of water in nature will be alkaline. So what you can do, you can purchase yourself a device that measures the ions in the water. So if water is negatively charged, it means it's alkaline. When the water is charged positively, it means it's acidic. So basically, we don't want to drink acidic water. We need to drink, as humans, alkaline water. So you can even go to a lab and check that in a lab somewhere nearby, and check the water. Basically, go and do tests for your water. What kind of water do you have? How the hardness of the water, you can check all those things in the lab. So when I travel, because I have a device that is my Japanese device, it's called Enaji Company Kangen machine water. I have my own water when I travel, and I had to check the water when in the places that I travel to and see what kind of water it is, because if it's too hard, it's really not recommended to pass this water through this machine. So basically, I am a distributor as well. If you're interested in getting to know more about the water and really diving deeper into the water and maybe even having it at home, you can email me. So basically, since I drank that water, I feel like my body healed. It was already healing. I was on this journey of eating pure and really clean for a while before I purchased this machine. But now when I have this machine, I really feel like it is just so nourishing, and drinking this water is so beneficial to the whole body. Even the skin has changed, because you have not only alkaline water in this machine, but you also have different pH levels. So you have skin pH levels, so this water is deeply hydrating the skin, and it is so hydrating that I'm just like in love, because it really is as good as a face cream. You have also water for cleaning, for disinfecting the house. It's 2.5 pH. And you have alkaline water for cooking, for drinking, for just basically drinking and preparing food as well. It's really visible in the food. When you add alkaline water into the food, you can see how the colors become brighter, and it's all becomes intense. You can also see it when you drink tea, and you put one cup regular water, not alkaline, and then in a second cup or a mug a tea. And basically, this water with alkaline, this tea with alkaline water is the one that is very intense. The color is like very intense, because it absorbs everything so much better. So this is what happens to you when you drink alkaline water. It regulates absorption basically in your whole body. So it penetrates the cells and it goes deeply into your body. So you're deeply hydrated. And we are mainly water. Like our brain is above 90% water, our muscles, like our organs. We say, like, people tend to say that we're 70 to 80% water. I think we are 90+% water, because when I checked like basically the levels of water in our body, like which organ has how much percent of the water, I was like, this is not 70-80%. I mean, we still have bones and stuff like that, but we are mainly water if you think about it. And to drink and eat alkaline, is to have an anti-inflammatory system. We can call it a system. Your whole body is becoming anti-inflammatory. It is basically it starts to heal itself naturally by eating fruits and vegetables. And you can basically, as I told you, track yourself and start changing step by step those things. First, maybe checking the water where you live. What's the water? Take it to a lab. Then you can Google this water system that I told you, and you can just start changing those little things that actually are huge things and are extremely important. So yeah, this is what I have for you today. And thank you so much for watching this video. It was very needed. I felt like it's definitely very needed, and I hope people will benefit from this video, and I hope people will definitely make some changes. Okay, so to turn our bodies into an alkaline state of being is to really give our body like a ton of energy. And stay healthy, stay vital. I think vitality is one of the most important thing. Longevity. So we want to make those changes now. Now is the best time, right? Don't wait until tomorrow. Don't wait until the next week, until the next year. Start making those changes today, and I promise you will feel better. And if you have any issues in your body, your body will start healing. Also, if you want to book energy healing session with me, and also I have different types of sessions on my website, you can go and check them out, and I'm here to serve. Thank you so much, and blessings for you.